It's so refreshing to see someone making tech fun and interesting again. The CMF Phone 1 from Nothing sub-brand CMF is certainly fun and one I can easily recommend. At just $199 under their no commitment US beta program, the CMF Phone 1 offers impressive value for the money, making it a standout phone in the budget smartphone market. For the price alone, this is a no-brainer for anyone looking for a cool, fun, and exciting piece of mobile tech. I went with this light green build and it looks phenomenal. All around this device, it's a very seamless and premium feeling device given that price point. The phone features very apparent screws here for interchangeable backplates, allowing users to customize the look of their device. This unique feature, along with the availability of various accessories, enhances the overall user experience. I'm waiting on a backplate and some of the accessories, but I can't wait to test those out here on the device myself. The CMF Phone 1 is not fully optimized for US networks and lacks 5G support on major carriers like Verizon and AT&T. This is of course one of the drawbacks for US consumers, but it works excellent for me on carriers like T-Mobile. The absence of NFC means the phone cannot make contactless payments either, which could be a deal breaker for some. For me, I've resorted to using a smartwatch or carrying my wallet along with me. Now, Nothing's iconic glyph interface available across their phone lineup is also missing here on the CMF Phone 1, but personally, I like the clean matte look. While the bottom firing speaker is very loud, it lacks the clarity and depth of a stereo speaker setup, which can affect the overall media consumption experience if you accidentally cover the speaker. But I will add that this speaker does sound incredible given it's the only speaker here on this device. Media consumption also on this beautiful 6.6-inch AMOLED 120Hz display is immersive and it provides a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience overall. The MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset offers great performance, particularly for multitasking. It outperforms many competitors in this price range in terms of overall daily performance, making it ideal for higher intensity app usage, even given this budget chipset. Nothing software optimization, of course, goes a long way in ensuring great performance. I would say excellent software coupled with capable hardware pretty much sums up Nothing and the CMF phones. The fingerprint sensor is consistently reliable, and I've yet to have any issues unlocking the CMF Phone 1. Similar to other Nothing products, it works well. While this phone will only get 2 years of major Android updates and only 3 years of security updates, I still have to shout out Nothing for having the coolest changelogs and always coming through with great updates. Just wish this one was supported a tad longer. The 50 megapixel primary camera and portrait sensor produce high quality images that rival even more expensive competitors. The camera performs exceptionally well in well-lit conditions and offers good detail and color accuracy. Let me know, of course, in the comments down below your thoughts on a few of these photos I captured. Absence of an ultra-wide lens means to get some photos, you may have to take multiple like I did here in a second, or use panorama to get something like this, for example, all in one shot versus multiple like I took here, but let me know your thoughts on those. Selfie camera on the front also takes pretty good selfie photos. Okay, interchangeable back cover and cool accessories aside, Nothing and CMF really delivered on their promise to deliver a budget-friendly device that outshines the competition. Yes, it only works with select carriers here in the US. Yes, it lacks NFC. And yes, you can only purchase it in the US under their no commitment beta program. But heck, I would easily recommend this to anyone looking for easily the best budget smartphone in 2024, or anyone who is simply yearning for fun tech again like myself. Kudos to the CMF and Nothing engineering team for this one. Keep making tech fun again. As always, let me know your thoughts on the CMF Phone 1 in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.